In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over on QuickBooks Online, and we're going to get it all done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user of QuickBooks or just getting started, there may come a time when you need to reset your QuickBooks Online account and start fresh. Maybe you've been experimenting and things didn't go as planned, or perhaps you're setting up a new company file from scratch. Whatever the reason, don't worry, we'll walk through each step smoothly and efficiently. First, let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks Online website. If you're not logged in already, you'll see a sign in option located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and it will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials. Grab your email and password and type them into the corresponding fields. Don't forget to double check for any typos, as these are common hurdles. Once those details are entered, go ahead and click on that sign in button and you should be whisked away into the comforting familiarity of your QuickBooks Online account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is a bit of a special navigation exercise. You're going to want to direct your web browser to a specific URL. Take a moment to carefully type in this link, qbo.intuit.com/app Purge Company. This link is particularly important because it will take you to the page where you can start the process of clearing your company data. Once there, you'll notice the URL has some text that you need to modify, specifically delete everything before the last /. This step might seem a little unusual, but it's crucial. You're creating a way for the system to understand that you're ready to reset your data. After updating the URL and hitting enter, you'll find yourself at a critical juncture where you're prompted to enter some text. Here, you will need to type in Purge Company. This is a very special keyword in QuickBooks Online that signals you're serious about starting over. After this, hit the enter key on your keyboard to initiate the command. At this point, to confirm your decision, QuickBooks Online requires you to type the word yes. This is a safeguard to ensure that only those who are truly determined take this irreversible action. Locate the text box at the bottom right of the page, type yes in all caps, and prepare yourself to finalize the process. Now you're at the final step. On the screen you'll find an OK button. A simple click on OK will finalize your decision, and just like that your data will be purged, leaving you with a clean slate to start fresh. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure it's really what you want before you proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your QuickBooks Online account and are ready to build a new. As you can see, while it might seem like a big task, QuickBooks has designed this process to be straightforward and efficient. Feel free to replay this video or revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher, or to help a friend who might be in the same spot. Thank you for following along with this quick setup tutorial. I hope you found it clear and easy to digest. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the QuickBooks support team. They're always ready to help and ensure you're up and running smoothly. Until next time, good luck with all your financial management, and may your QuickBooks experience be seamless and productive.